Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The base dimension is thickness is 10 mm, 115 and 55 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the new videos. Select extruded bars, select the right plane, create two circles here. Give the dimensions. The outer diameter is 30, inner diameter is 20 mm. Next, create line here. Same opposite side also. Need to take line from here. Trim the unwanted lines here. Give the dimensions. Overall length is 150. This is 25. And also here to here 35 mm. Thickness is 10. Give the thickness this height is overall height is 35 mm. Trim this unwanted line here to here 35. So we can trim this line also. Give some constraints. Here to here give 10 mm. Okay. Select here mid plane. The length is 55 mm. Next, select this surface, sketch, create one circle here, give the dimensions. The diameter is 24 mm. And next height is 45 mm. give the tangent condition here, create line, like this. Trim entities, trim this line. So we can mirror this sketch, or we can mirror extrude also. Select entire sketch, mirror entities, mirror about center axis. Finish sketch, extrude. The height is 20 mm, 30 minus 10. Okay. Next, there is a M tool tapped hole on that hole wizard. Here select tapping holes, straight tap, bottoming tapped hole, here select M tool, .5 is their pitch. Here blind thickness is 28, give only 20 mm. Go to positions, select this surface, take this arc as a reference. Okay. So next, select the right plane, sketch. Here create one circle. The diameter is 40 mm. And select convert entities, select this arc. Okay. Select line, just join the line here. Trim this unwanted line. Finish sketch. Extrude. Select symmetric. The distance is 20 mm. Okay. That's it. There is some pillets. The pillet dimension is R5. Can select the edges. Control 7 for ISO view. So assign material here. Select aluminum 6061T6. Apply, close. Go to edit appearances, assign some different color, the entire part. Okay. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session. And also I'm requesting, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends. We'll see you in the next session.